Hello everyone, welcome to SmarTrade's first monthly market review. My name is Gab Santos, market analyst here at SmarTrade PH. In today's video, I will be sharing with you the changes that happened within the market last month. And remember, you can use this as a reference, but these market reviews should not be viewed or used as financial advices.
Hi everyone, so let's discuss the first week US market data for the month of July. So as you can see here, the first data that we need to focus is the US Manufacturing PMI data, followed by the most awaited FOMC minutes, and lastly we have the non-farm payrolls for the month of June. Alright, so the first thing is we have the ISM Manufacturing PMI. So as you can see here that the actual data was 46 versus the market forecast for about 48. So this was actually a bad data for the manufacturing PMI data since it did not go beyond the market forecast. So based on the data, there's been a decrease to the levels of manufacturing PMI data, which has not been seen since the COVID-19 pandemic started. And according to the survey of the ISM, there are some factories that laid off their workers for that month. The second one is of course the most awaited data for that week, which is the FOMC. So the FOMC happened around 2 a.m. in the morning Philippine time on July 6. So based on the FOMC, the Federal Reserve approved a much anticipated interest rate hike that takes the borrowing cost to the highest levels for about more than 22 years. And based on Jerome Powell, he said that the central bank will make the data-driven decisions on a meeting-by-meeting basis. Also for that week, you also have the non-farm payrolls data for the month of June. So as you can see that the actual data was 209 versus the 250,000 market expectations. So as you can see, the data did not perform well. But one of the catalysts as well for that data is you also have the unemployment rate and of course the average hourly earnings. So the unemployment rate was 3.6% versus the market forecast of 3.7%, which is slightly better compared to the market forecast. And of course, the average hourly earnings was 4.4% versus the market forecast of 4.1%, which is slightly better for about 0.3%. So in this chart, you can clearly see that starting from the month of January for this year, we've seen a peak on the NFP data for about 472. But as you can see, from the month of February, March, and April, we clearly see that there's a decline for the data. So the present NFP data was 209, which is the lowest since 217K for the month of March and April. And we can also clearly see that from the peak of July 2022 from 8.5 coming from 9% for the month of June, you can clearly see that there's a decline from the peak of 6.5% before the January 2023 starts, coming from the 3% currently data for the inflation rate. So it's obvious that the US is battling out the inflation rate for the past couple of months by raising the interest rate hikes, and from there the inflation rate cooled down for about 3%, which is the initial target from 2 or 3% for this data. And for the third and fourth week of July, the data was highlighted by the Fed interest rate decision, and of course we have the Fed conference 30 minutes after the release. So the Fed interest rate decision was 5.5%, which is in line for the market expectations for about 5.5%. So they made a 0.25 basis points increase from the previous data. And after that, based on the Fed press conference, they indicated that they will not make any firm commitments as of this moment, but rather they will be more cautious. And also they will focus more on the most current and relevant economic data that they have as of the moment.
That's all for our market review for this month. Subscribe to our channel for more detailed market reviews at SmarTrade PH. Like and follow us as well through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to get updated of our events this month. Thank you again for watching. I'm Gab Santos, market analyst at SmarTrade, and see you on the next video.